Hello. Let's solve CAT 2024 slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So, there are 22 questions. Let's see one by one. Okay. Now, this question. The sum of all real values of k for this equation, right? Okay. Sum of all real values of k for this equation is satisfied, right? Now, let's try to write this as a standard form. Now, let's see, this is 1 by 8 to the power k into 32768. Now, you see 32768, like 8 square is 64 and 8 cube is 512. If you multiply this, you will get 8 to the power 5 equal to this. So, this is 8 to the power 5, that is 32768, right. So, this one we can write 1 by 8 to the power 5. So, that is 1 by 8 to the power 5 to the power 1 by 3, right. Okay. Or let us do that in the next step. Let us write it like this only, we will do the next step, right. So, it is 1 by 32768 to the power 1 by 3, and that is equal to 1 by 8 into 1 by 327 68 to the power 1 by k. Now, let's bring 1 by 8 this side and this term on that right hand side. So, we can write it as 1 by 8 to the power k minus 1, right. It will be k minus 1. Let us bring this one that side. So, it will be 1 by 32768 to the power 1 by k minus 1 by 3. Now, we will write this as 1 by 8 to the power 5. Now, this is 1 by 8 to the power k minus 1, and this one is 1 by 8 to the power 5. So, this is 1 by 8 to the power 5 and to the power it is 1 by k minus 1 by 3. So, basically this is 1 by 8 to the power k minus 1 is equals to 1 by 8 to the power 5 into this. So, it is 5 into 1 by k minus 1 by 3. Now, you see a to the power x equals to a to the power y, you know that, then x equal to y if a is not equal to 0, not equal to 1, not equal to minus 1. See, 1 by 8 is neither 0 nor 1 nor minus 1. So, basically we can compare the power. So, k minus 1 will be equal to this, right. So, we can say that from here k minus 1 is 5 into this one. Let us take the LCM here, 3k. So, it will be 3 minus k. Let us do cross multiplication, right. So, it will be 3k square minus 3, 3k square minus 3k, right, is equals to 5 into 3, 15 minus 5k, okay. Or we can write it as 3k square. Let us bring 5k on the left hand side, 5k minus 3k is 2k. So, plus 2k and minus 15, right, minus 15 equals to 0, right, okay. Fine. So, this will this side, okay. So, this is the equation, right. Now, no need to solve for k because they are asking sum of the real values, sum of the roots. So, basically we have to solve for, you have to get the sum of the roots of this equation, right. So, sum of roots of this quadratic equation, we know the sum of roots of quadratic equation is minus b by a. So, it will minus 2 by 3, right. So, it will minus 2 by 3, that will be the sum of the roots. So, the answer is minus 2 by 3. So, which is option 2, okay. I hope this is clear, right.